Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 7th Subject English.
Good morning, my dear students. The previous class we have seen lesson 4 in grammar book. The topic of the lesson is adverb phrase and adverb class. So today we are going to discuss the book back exercise answers. Okay. All of you take your book back exercise in page number 19. I am going to tell the answers. You check whether you have written the correct answer or not and correct in your textbook. Okay. Dear students, take page number 19 in your grammar book. I am going to tell the answer. So correct yourself. First Roman, pick out the adverb phrase in each sentence. First one, to the lost man. Second one, into the garden. Third one, on the moon. Fourth one, on his face. Fifth one, on my toe. Sixth one, on the bank. Seventh one, on the fridge at night. Eighth one, with a loud report. Ninth one, at a huge profit. 10th one, from the supermarket. 11th one, in the middle of the great wood. 12th one, in the face of all obstacles. 13th one, sailing over the sea. 14th one, besides a green meadow. 15th one, besides a river. And take page number 20. The second Roman. Replace the italicized adverb in each sentence with an adverb phrase. First one already done. Now I am going to tell onwards, second on onwards. Okay. Second one, the pigeon flies with swiftness. Third one, she spoke to us in a gentle manner. Fourth one, did Misha behave in a good manner? Fifth one, we hope to finish it before very long. Sixth one, he went to another place this morning. Seventh one, we passed our days full of joy. Eighth one, my sister paints in a beautiful manner. Ninth one, we will pitch the tents just at this palace. And tenth one, he was standing at the place with his father. Third Roman, replace the italicized adverb phrase in each sentence with an adverb. First one already done. Second one, he arrived just then. Third one, we thank you heartily. Fourth one, the wind blew violently. Fifth one, he was wounded gravely. Sixth one, our soldiers fought bravely. And seventh one, let us stop working now. Eighth one, he answered every question politely. Ninth one, it was here that the accident took place. And tenth one, I hope that he will come back soon. Fourth Roman, fill in the blanks with a suitable adverb phrase. There are 14 onwards given. So here you can write any suitable adverb phrase. It is your choice. So answers may be vary from people to people for this answer. Okay. So any suitable adverb phrase will be accepted for the fourth Roman. Okay. Take page number 22. Test yourself first Roman. Pick out the adverb class in each sentence. The first one, where you like. Second one, as far as he dared. Third one, until you come. Fourth one, if you eat too much. Fifth one, as he thinks. Sixth one, while the cat is away. Seventh one, if he makes a promise. Eighth one, true, he has promised. Ninth one, as one might expect him to do. 10th one, as he was not there. 11th one, though she had started late. 12th one, where his pursuers could not follow. 13th one, just as he entered the room. 14th one, as soon as I saw the big cobra. 15th one, when I was younger. Second Roman, fill in the blanks with the suitable adverb classes. So here also any suitable adverb class of your own answer will be acceptable. Okay. So this also answer will vary from student to student, but suitable adverb class will be accepted for the even the test also. Okay, thank you. Dear students, we have completed fourth lesson book back exercise answers now. Okay, then I already told you to read what is given in lesson 5. Okay, so now I am going to teach lesson 5 in your grammar book. The topic of the lesson is much, many, fewer, and less. So this topic we already studied in the lower classes. Remember that these all the words like much, many, few, less, these words known as determiners. I think you all remember that determiners, and of course it is also known as adjectives. So that is one, that's only we can see in this lesson. Page number 23. See the first line, much, many, fewer and less are the determiners as well as adjective. So remember that what is adjective? Yes, it tells or it refers to a noun in a sentence. It tells more about noun. What is adverb? It tells more about verb. Okay, so always remember what is adjective and what is adverb. So here determiners also known as the adjectives. So here first they given some points to remember. Listen carefully. Much and less are adjectives of quantity. It tells the quantity of the noun. Many and few are adjectives of number. It used to count a noun. Much is used to uncountable nouns for the singular and many is used to countable nouns for plural. So many we can countable, much we can't count. Okay, so that is known as the uncountable one. Here many is sometimes the use of a is made with many, and in respect of meaning there is no difference between many and many. Yeah, the only difference is that many is used with a noun and a verb in the plural. Many, yeah, is used with a noun and a verb in singular. So that is a difference. Generally, many only used for plural. Many, yeah, is used for the singular thing. Okay. See the example. Many a boy is absent today. And second one, many boys are absent today. Here, first sentence, the many refers the noun is a singular thing, boy only. And the second one, boys are. Here it is known as refer as a plural form. See the next point, fewer is used to comparative of few. It denotes number. So we can say I have a few things. I have few dress. So many examples we can see. Less is very rarely used as a comparative of little. It is an independent comparative. It has, in fact, no positive degree. It generally denotes quantity. The use of much, many, fewer, and less. So the determiners much, little, and less denote quantity. We use a singular noun and the verb with them. So this we already know. The determiners many, few, and fewer denote number. We use plural noun and verb with them. So remember that the words, which are the words much, little, less. So we can't count the uncountable things, the uncountable determinants. These are, it is only use a singular noun and verb with them. So this refers, it denotes the quantity, and the determinants like few, many, and fewer. These are the words denote the number we can count. So these are the countable nouns to use to refer. We use the plural noun and a verb with them. So remember that. So in this class we see the introduction about much, many, fewer, and less. These all known as determiners as well as adjectives. Okay, where we can use these words. Which words are used for the quantity and which words used for describe the quality, we can see in this page. Take page number 24. Look at the following sentence. So these all are the example for the determiners. First one, much. It refers or denotes the quantity of the noun. There are 5 sentences given. Listen it. Does your cow give much milk? And second one, much of what you say is not true. And third one, my father never eats much breakfast. Fourth one, there is not much food in the house. Fifth one, did you have much difficulty in finding my house? So these all the sentences are much used to refer a quantity of the thing. Okay. And many, it used to denote number, already we see in the previous page. Here also 5 sentences given. First one, Rogan does not have many friends. Here it refers many for a noun. Okay, noun, friends. And second one, where there are many people at the meeting. Here the many, it refers people. Third one, many people left early. Here it refers people. And fourth one, he does not know many things. Here the many refers he. And fifth one, many of them think so. Here it refers them. And next topic, fewer, it also denotes a number. The first one, no fewer than 20 workers were absent. Here it refers the workers, 20 workers. Okay. And second one, there were fewer men than women. Here it refers the men than women. It refers, it compare. And third one, today I bought fewer eggs. Here it refers the eggs. And next one, less, it also denotes the quantity. So remember that much and less denotes the quantity, and many and fewer denotes the number. The final thing, less, it's also given the 3 examples. Listen, he had less difficulty with his work. And second one, don't think it has less importance. And third one, I have less money than you. Okay. So I hope you all understood. Very simple topic. Determiners, much, many, fewer and less. So you just remember word it refers for quantity, which word refers the quality. Okay. This one you can understood means the topic is very simple. Okay. See the book back exercise given in 24 and page number 25. Test yourself first, Roman. Correct the following sentence. So already you know, in this class you listen only, you just do the book back exercise and find out the answer for the book back exercise. Next class only I'll give the answer. After that you can check, then only you have get a practice. Okay. Page number 25, second Roman, fill in the blanks with suitable determiners. There are options given, you can fill much, many, fewer and less. Which is a suitable determiner you have to fill. Okay. There are 15 sentences given. You have to do all in your home. Okay. So that's all. The next class we can see the answer for the lesson 5. And before that, remember, you just start read lesson 5 in your literature book. Okay. Next class maybe we can start the lesson. Unit 5 we can start on the next class. Okay. Thank you.